Hello friends, in the previous video we have deployed MSI file through new model application model. Okay, now we will deploy EXE file. Okay, EXE file via application model, and we have to provide detection method as well. Okay, it may be file, this file path, or it may be registry path. Okay, we'll check this thing. Okay, I have installed my software and put into shared path. This is the software 7-zip, that is EXE file. We need to go to application management. This is the application new model. Okay, I have created folder as well, 7-zip, so easily identified. Okay, right click, we need to click on create application. This is asking MSI file, but we have only EXE file, so we have to click manually specify the application information. Okay, I have mentioned 7, the name of the file 7-zip. You can also mention version. Okay, click on next, click on next. Okay, now click again add, again click on manually specify the deployment type information. Then you will find this thing 7-zip. Okay, yes, this is the important information which need to fill. Content location, where is your source location. Shared path, .7-zip, okay, installation program .exe slash what we mentioned, silent switches which have no user interaction. Okay, this is my EXE file, I have copied. Okay, same, this is now 7j2106.exe. Okay, this is a 64-bit EXE file. Let me check, let me remake. Control A, Control C. Okay, on installation program, this is the uninstallation command, means path. How to find this? First, you have to install your software, any software which having EXE file on your test machine. Okay, I have installed this software in my local machine. In the program file 7-zip, okay, this is the file uninstall.exe. Okay, if that software is 32-bit, then it will in the program file x86, but this software is 64-bit, then you will find in program files. Okay, this is program file 7-zip uninstallation.exe, and then this is a file 7zfm.exe. Once you open, what it will open? It will open the program. Okay, just will note this thing as well. We have to mention this in our during the configuration. Okay, Okay, this is the installation file. Okay, installation / switches, silent switches. Same for uninstallation, silent switches. Okay, run installation and uninstall program at 32-bit, process add on 64-bit client. If you have 32-bit software and your machine is 64-bit, you can also click on this. Okay, click on next, click on add. Now you will mention the detection rule, okay, which we'll discussed in our theory part. How can we detect? How SSCM will detect? Through file system, through registry, through Windows installer. But this is a EXE file. If it is a EXE file, we don't have product code. If this is a MSI file, then we have product code and we can mention product code here. Okay. Now we will click on file system first. File. We have to give it the file path. Okay. Okay, what is the file name? I tell you, check the file path name. In your system where you store the software, okay, in your test machine, this is a file name, okay, where you open that program. Okay, that file name, just copy it and mention here. Okay, file C program file 7zip and 72fm.exe. okay, this is the detection method. If SSCM will detect that software, that presence of this exe file, that means software has been installed. Okay, this is the detection rule. Okay, and if you want to provide registry path, how to provide? Okay, same, go to your test machine, means where you install the software, open the registry path. Okay, I have opened the path HK local machine, software, Microsoft, Windows, current version, uninstalled 7zip. Okay, I copied this path. Okay, this is the exe file. I told you in the theory part as well, if this is a exe file, then it's mentioned here the on software name. If this is a MSI file, then you will find this in product code. Okay, but this is a exe file, so this is the name of the software. Okay, I copied the path. Go to your configuration site, click on registry, where you find this path HK local machine. Okay, I paste it and remove this till local machine because I already given in high part. Okay, software, Microsoft Windows, current version, uninstall 7zip. Then value, what value you have to give in? Check in your test machine 7zip. I mention, you can mention anything, but I mention display version. Okay, display version, mention the exact name, display version. Okay, display version. Okay, 21.06. data type version and value 21.06 equal to 21.06. Okay, what we mentioned, registry, local machine, this is the exact path in the registry path, display version and equal to 21.06. if SSCM will detect in the registry it's present, then the software has been installed. Means if we try to uninstallation through SCCM, it will check software is present or not. If this present, then it will try to uninstall. If it is not present, then it will provide the exact report to SCCM console. Okay, this is our detection method. We can detect through file, through registry, through protect code. Okay, now I just mentioned registry path for detection method. Click OK. Next, behavior for system, same, whether or not user is logged on. Okay, next, in this you can provide the requirement, means condition, where if we mention 40 MB, okay, so this will check if this condition is fulfilled, then do the action. If not, then it will deny the action. Okay, whatever we are doing, install or uninstall, so we can create a rule as well. Okay, so as of now, no need. Click next. Software dependency. Okay, because this is the application model, we can also provide dependency so that it will install the software before this software. Okay, first dependency software installed, then it will do the next action. Okay, click next. Click next. Close. Okay, 7-zip. Next. Next. Close. Okay, same, right click. Now we'll next step we'll do distribute content. Next, add the distribution point. Same process like packaging which we did earlier. Next. Okay, now we can deploy the package to our client machine. Same, we can also create a collection first. I have created folder, new folder, 7 chip. Okay, device collection, 7 chip. Okay, add resource. Okay, we have added one client machine. Whatever you want to add, just add it. Okay, client is added now. Now we can deploy the software. Deploy. Provide the collection. Click on device collection. Okay, next, DB point. Next, what we will try to available required. Okay, whatever we want, just as per requirement, just required. Next, as soon as possible. Next, close. go to our client machine. By default policy will take 1 hour to detect, but we'll click on manually machine policy. Yeah, it will detect now. See, application has been installed. Okay, and you can also check the logs. Cache folder, exit code 0, performing detection, and discovered application. Okay, this is important. If it is not discovered your detection method, then it will clearly mention. Okay, now it's discovered and its enforcement is complete. Thank you.